Good morning again. Welcome back to Jamaican Vibes with your truly Shanzenzen. We're on the farm with my brother Rodney, and he's going to be spraying his thyme. So we're gonna watch him spray some thyme this morning. So just enjoy the video, guys. Rodney, tell the people the morning.
Morning, guys.
So this is the famous Rodney with the trike where everybody going crazy over. He's spraying his thyme with some organic fertilizer, guys. Liquid organic fertilizer. And the man that sells this LOS, we're gonna do an interview with him soon. So look out for that video. You're gonna learn all about how he used chicken manure and pig manure to make liquid organic fertilizer and biogas. So this channel is not just inspirational, motivational, but it's a very dynamic channel where we do interview with very interesting Jamaicans and some not so interested. But my brother Rodney is spraying his thyme garden. Rodney, tell the people them how often they have to spray the thyme or how often you spray your thyme. Look at that.
Once per week.
Once per week?
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't spray it very often.
So we spray up the thyme, making sure all the insects and all of them fungus they're gone. No insect nor no fungus can stay on the thyme once you spray it once a week. What the main problem you have with thyme sometimes?
They have a thing called black rat disease.
What?
Black rat.
Black rat disease?
Yeah,
Okay. What's that?
that is a disease that under the leaf of the thyme,
Yeah.
it gets black, and
Oh,
it take time and climb up on the higher branches. And you
okay.
just see the whole tree getting black and black till it dies.
Oh my
So
God.
you have to spray to protect against black rat,
Okay.
especially when you have a lot of rain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So black rat come out when you get a lot of rain.
Yes.
So you have to make sure you spray it so that you avoid the black rat coming on the time. And your time you're losing all your time crop. Okay.
And it can come out as a result of overwatering.
Oh,
Yeah.
so if you overwater it as well, you can get black rat.
Yeah, if you overwater it, you have to spray it.
Oh,
You have to spray it.
okay. So hear that, guys? If you overwater the time, make sure you spray it so that it don't get black rat. Cause a lot of time we have some farmers that are just farming and they don't know what exactly cause what and what to do in case they see something like this. So if you're seeing your time growing the black thing, black rat, spray it. And if you overwater in your time too much, make sure you're spraying it because it can develop black. Rodney is going to show you how the black rat looks, how the black rat disease look on the time.
Okay, guys. So as you can see here, we have a thyme plant here. As you can see over this side is very green, and right here, as you can see, it's dark and it looks very dry. So this is what you call a black rat. It starts at the bottom and then it takes time and spread to the rest of the plant, as you can see.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you spray this now, it's eventually stop the black rat from spreading,
Right.
and then after a couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks of water, and it come back right to normal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the black rat, people. Now you see what it looks like. Yes, guys, so up on the farm, we're in the farm in the country, in St. Elizabeth again. And you see Rodney spraying his thyme right now. So BlackRat is the only thing that you have issue with, Rodney, as it pertains to the thyme.
Not really. You have a thing you call maca cuckoo.
Makakuku.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maca cuckoo is a thing like it resemble a worm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's kind of fat and it's under the earth. So
Oh,
sometimes you see the time pretty today and tomorrow you see one strand start to dry up. Then
oh,
you see the whole tree start to dry up. What
okay.
happened now? The maca cuckoo cut the root at the time
Yeah,
underneath the earth.
right.
So, but we can't really do anything about that. So we have to just plant a
Only
lot of time and expect that sometime maybe maca cuckoo
take some of
take
it.
some, yeah,
So you just have to plant it with the expectation that you might lose a little bit of the time to makakuku.
yeah,
And you might just, you know?
yeah. So we
Okay.
plant it close.
Okay, so it's
Yeah,
a win or lose situation with the time, but you just have to hope and pray for the best and do your best with spraying it and ensure that it gets water, but don't overwater it as Rodney said, because it can cause it to get the black rot, and then you can lose a lot of your time. So he's using the liquid organic fertilizer to spray it, guys. And as I said, you're going to be hearing from the man that that developed this liquid organic fertilizer here in St. Elizabeth. Makakuku, what a name. So how long did time take to develop to be ready to be sold to other to customers?
well, within three
Hold on.
within 3 to 3.5 months, depending on the weather,
Oh,
or depending on how you water it or take
okay.
care of the garden.
Right, right. So you see, the time can take 3 months to 3.5 months, Rodney said. Depends on how you take care of the garden. What is this on the I see something on this stem. Come look, Rodney. What is it? Is this the makakuku?
No, no.
What's that? It looks like an
Uh,
orangish color worm.
yeah, that's a bug.
That's just a bug.
Yeah.
Oh. So these bugs can hurt the time?
No, not really.
Oh, okay. So yeah, people, 3 to 3.5 months the time takes to be ready to be sold. So these times, guys, are about 2 months old. Okay, so Rodney is saying a month before it's ready to be cut and sold. So after 2 months, this is how the time looks. 2 months after planting the thyme. If you're interested in planting thyme and you're wondering how long it takes to be ready, it's 3 to 3.5 months. And he said it all depends on how you care it, how you water it, and ensure that it's well taken care of. So we're gonna leave Rodney to finish spraying his thyme with his liquid organic fertilizer. And we are going to come back when the thyme is fully ready to be sold. So you guys can see how it looks after a couple weeks. So we have come to the end of another wonderful video. Make sure you check out part 2 of farming and innovation in Jamaica, where you'll see how Rodney developed his trike, his tricycle that he used to carry water, grass, and his produce to his customer. So the link will be in the description. Make sure you check it out. Until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye.
Bye guys.
All right.